In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make email links open in Outlook. If you've ever clicked an email address on a website and had the wrong app pop up, this guide is for you. We're going to make Windows hand all Mail to links to Outlook and then fine tune Outlook so the links you click inside emails open in your usual browser for a consistent experience. Start by opening the Windows Settings app. From there, go to Apps, then Default Apps. This is where Windows decides which app handles different file types and link types. Look for the area that lets you set a default for a file type or link type and use the search box to find Mailto. Mailto is the special link type behind those Email Us buttons you see online. Select the Mailto result and choose Outlook as the default app. If you see more than one Outlook option, pick the one you actively use on your PC. Once set, anytime you click an email address on a web page or document, Windows will launch a new message in Outlook. Next, open the Outlook desktop app so we can make sure links you click inside your emails behave the way you expect. In Outlook, go to File, then Options. Select the Advanced tab. Scroll to the section called File and Browser Preferences. Set Open Hyperlinks from Outlook into default browser. This tells Outlook to respect whatever browser you've chosen as your Windows default, keeping your workflow consistent. Click OK to apply the change. If you also use Outlook on the web, let's match that behavior there too. In Outlook on the web, click the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. Go to General, then find the Links section. Choose Default Browser. This ensures that when you click a link in a web email, it opens in your preferred browser instead of being forced into a different one. That's it. You've set Windows to open Mail to links in Outlook and aligned both Outlook Desktop and Outlook on the web so that any web links you click inside emails open in your default browser. If the exact wording looks slightly different on your screen, it may be due to your Windows or Outlook version, but the options live in these same areas. These changes take effect immediately and should make email links far more predictable across your system. Enjoy the streamlined experience, and thanks for watching.